What's up, YouTube? New England Scratcher coming at ya, and I am here with Jay from the Slot Freaks.
What's up, guys? Get your Slot Freak on.
Amazing dude, and we have our lucky Slot Freaks lanyards here. We have the lucky Hundo's better than an Hundo New England Scratcher, and then my other lucky wristband here. I don't want it because I don't want to copyright for that one. So,
all right, what are we doing?
All right, we have in the machine $1,000 loaded in.
Nice.
And here we are. We have a $1,000 group pull. We are going to be doing 100 spins at $10 a spin. And good luck.
Stakes.
On high stakes.
Lightning Link.
Lightning Link. And look at this, guys. Look at this.
Hefty progressives up there.
We have a maxed out major. Look at that grand. We are looking for a lot of money. And you know what? There's no reason it can't be us.
That is right.
All right, sorry about that. That went back to, there we go.
There we go, perfect.
They hit the, alrighty. So, we are going to, we have a counter here. We are gonna be setting it on, which denom do we want to start with?
Well, let's take a look at the let's take a look at the minor on 2 cents, and that would be max bet there. Looks like the $100 minor,
and
then if we go to 10 cents,
that would be a $500 minor, right?
Yep.
And a $100 mini.
Let's do this here. Try it.
We're just trying to figure out here what we want to do for our $10
Right there.
spins. All right. So that's this one right here, right?
Yep.
All right. Here we go.
How many spins?
We are doing 100 spins.
100 spins.
And this is spin number 1. Tito's and crab, please. Spin number 2. All right.
Here we go.
We need some big money here.
Make sure the volume's all the way up.
Oh, yeah.
Volume's all the way up. Looking good.
Awesome. We are looking for 6 of those balls. Chips, I guess they are. Chips.
Yeah.
We're looking for 6 chips to drop. Come on, let's go. We need some big money. This machine has been good to us over the last couple days. Looking for... We are looking for a lot more, though. That was number 9.
Oh, good.
Alrighty.
Come on, 3 of those briefcases.
Come on, 3 briefcases or 6 of those chips minimum. Let's go. Alrighty, you know what we need? We need the lucky lanyard. Come on, let's go.
Let's do it. There we go.
Something. $14.50 win right there. Come on. Server activated. Come on. Oh, 2 suitcases. Come on. Let's go.
3 of those briefcases. Activate the bonus.
Come on. By the way, we are at Sahara Casino and Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. Awesome time and stay here. Thanks to an amazing host, David. You guys are checking out Vegas. Make sure to check out the Sahara on the north end of the strip. Definitely worth it. Oh, come on.
Come on.
Oh. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Spin 28.
I think it's gonna come before spin 50.
There it is.
Oh. All right, we need a little luck here. Come on. Oh, oh. Teasing us. It is teasing.
Let's go.
It only takes one spin. Oh, come on.
That bonus wants to go.
It does want to go. That was spin number 36. Come on, we need something here. This machine has been too nice to us to do this to us now. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Come on. 2 and 4. Oh, $100 ball showing its face.
Let's go. Come on, Chips. Where are you? Oh!
$250 ball teasing us.
Let's go.
All right.
Chip. Spin 48.
Come on, we need this. All those wilds for nothing.
Spin 51.
We are a little over halfway through this pull. Come on. All right, we need something. We need to
something.
change it.
There we go.
Let's. What about? You want to change the denom to the?
Go 1 cent. Let's do
No, that's
that.
only 5, right?
Yep.
That's not. There's no 5 times that, right? It would be. The other option would be 10 cent, right?
Yeah, it's, we were. I think we were on 10 cents.
Oh, I thought we were on 2. No.
Oh,
No, we were on 2 cent.
So 7.50.
Oh, okay. There's no.
No,
Okay. Yep. No.
but if we go 5 cents.
I do want to change it, and I know that there's the right.
I would just.
That's
All right.
we have decided that we're going to stick to this for 4 more spins on the 2 cent to $5, which is a $10 bet, and then we are going to go down to the $5 bet, and we're instead of 40 spins, we'll do 80 at $5.
Just trying to change it up, see if we can find out where that major jackpot is hiding.
Yes, that major jackpot is hiding here, and we want it. So here we go. That is number 1 for the 4, 2. Whoa. Teasing. 3. All right, this is the last one at $10
Come on.
for now anyway. All right, so we are gonna switch it up. We are gonna do some $5 bets. Let's go to 10 cent. 10 cent right here. Let's do a couple at this one.
Yep.
Whoa!
There we go.
It's showing.
Yep.
All right, and on this one, the
10 cents.
minor is 500 and the mini is 100. All right, so we have 80 of these spins at $5.
Let's try to change it up, find out where that bonus is.
Come on, we need it. Let's go, get your slot freaks on.
NES 22.
Woo! Come on.
Come on, we need that major coming at you.
Let's go. It is time. Are you open to winning?
I'm open to winning right now.
Are you open to winning? We need to win. I am hearing bells and whistles going off everywhere all around me. We are waiting for it on this machine right here. Right now.
Oh.
Come on. We need a bonus. Jay, give that a tap. Woo!
All right, here we go.
Gabriel with
Here
an
we
awesome
go.
bonus
Gabriel's
behind
behind
us.
us. Yeah.
All right.
All right, let's get those chips.
All right, that was spin double deuce on these $85 spins. Come on.
Maybe it needs a little,
Fast tap.
just to change it up, just a hair.
Come on. Oh. Don't do us dirty like this.
This thing is quiet. We need to wake it up.
Yes, it needs to be woken up. Let's go. I think we need our slot freaks.
Let's
Here we go. Open to winning.
Open to winning. Rub the lucky lanyard. Let's go. Come on. All right, Jay. Let's go.
Let's go. That was spin 35 out of the 80. Oh!
I saw that go by.
Yeah. Crazy. All right, spin 38 now. Let's go.
Come on.
We're halfway there on the floor for the 80. $5 spins.
Come on, man.
Come on.
What spin is that?
Oh!
Oh,
Spin 44.
another one right
Just
here.
didn't connect.
Where are you? Where are you?
It owes us.
It does. These chips are hiding. But you know what? Sometimes the save's the best for later on down the road. And what spin are we on?
We are going on to spin number 50.
Spin number 50.
We have 31 spins left, including this one. All right, here we go. That is number 50. Let's go.
Come on.
I'm open to winning.
Open to winning. We need a bonus. Let's go.
Come on.
Those are good. Those
That's
are good.
decent. All right. Well,
We really need those chips. We need a bonus right now.
let's go. Come on.
Where are you?
I can't believe it. Like this machine has been so awesome. We are chasing this $1,000 major jackpot right there. There's 4 showing their face. I just tapped that quick. Did you get it? Okay.
Yep. Come on.
Wow. Come on.
do it
Let's
together,
go.
let's do it together.
All right, here we go. Together.
I didn't mean to do that.
1, 2, 3. All right, we have 11 spins remaining.
baby.
Let's go.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
7 spins remaining. There we go.
Where is this bonus?
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh.
Wow. 3 spins left. Oh my gosh. This is not, what's it, 1 or 2 left? Two spins left, all right. The last 2.
Here we go.
See this bonus, come on.
Let's go, NES and
Let's
Slot
go.
Freaks. Come on.
Let's go. Woo!
We got 1 spin left.
Wait, this is the last spin. Let's go.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, that was a, you know what? That's why they call it gambling.
That's right, that's right.
And I'll tell you, this machine's been really, really good. It was good to us last night for the live on the Slot Freaks channel. Those right there are just so tempting, and I still love Lightning Link, even though that just did that to us.
Thank you to everybody that participated in the group. We took a shot. It
Yeah.
was fun. Thank you to NES for putting that together.
You guys
Awesome.
are absolutely amazing. Much love. And wash your hands, don't touch your face. Wear your mask if you have to. Don't touch each other. But at the same time, love everyone equally. You guys are awesome. I love ya, and I will see you soon.